Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to enable ANC using button on your headphones. So basically all you have to do is just turn over the headphones and click the button what name like ANC. Right now I turn on transparency mode and click again to turn on noise cancelling mode. If you turn again, you will turn on normal mode. So you have like normal mode, then transparency, and then is ANC mode. And the second one is to use an application, so just open it and right here click on noise cancelling. We turn on noise cancelling. If you want transparency mode, just click on it. And we just did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.